A very wonderful good morning, my dear students, children. As in our previous classes, we have already completed both the chapter, right? Advertising also and market around us also, right? And I hope all this both this chapter is clear to all of you. Yes, children. So, children, today once again we are going to revise chapter number 6, advertising. So, children, today we will be discussing the book exercises questions. Is that clear? So, children, come on, everyone, open your book. Yes. So, children, come on. What is advertising? Yes. Advertising, it refers to the promotion of good, service, companies and ideas through a medium, and usually it is done by an identified sponsor or agent, right? And every advertisement, children, it seeks to convey a specific messages, right? Whether it is related to a thing, right, or a service, right? So it is related to a thing, idea, or anything, right? And advertising, children, it is done with the help of, it involves various types of media. For example, you can say newspaper, magazine, television, then radio, then billboard, hoardings, right? So it involves many different types of medias also, right? And in ancient time it was done by the word of mouth, right? And printing developed first in 15th century. Yes or no? Right, children? So, children, come on, everyone, be ready with your book. Yeah. So, children, see, first I will show you the flow chart. Okay, I hope all must have completed your work. Yes, you must have drawn this flow chart also. Yes, children, just wait. Yeah. So see, children, we have I've already given this flowchart in previous classes in school app, right? And you must have completed. So children, if you have not completed, please complete this flowchart. This is also very important, okay? Because it gives you an idea that what you have studied under this chapter, right? What are the key points that you have studied? So in types of advertising, children, we have discussed about three types of advertising. That was commercial advertising. What is commercial advertising? It is done for promoting of product and services, right? And what is social advertising, children? Social advertising, children, the advertising technique used to promote product, commercial goods and services, and can also inform and educate and motivate about the non-commercial issues such as human equality, health, hygiene, energy conservation, deforestation, and so on, right? So children, and even the this social advertising, it is also called as public service advertising, right? So you should remember that social advertising is also called as public service advertising. Then we have discussed about political advertising also, right? So children, this political advertising is done mostly during the time of elections, right? So you have seen political advertising in the form of posters also, handbill, radio, television, wall writing, right? So especially children, and it is one of the means by which political parties, candidates, and other social active groups, they reach out to people. Understood? And this is done during the mostly the time of elections. You can see this political ad everywhere, right, children? Then we have discussed about objectives of advertising. So what are the important objectives? So you can say the main objective, children, is to increase their demand for the product, right? That is why they are doing the advertising. So first what they will try to do, first they will try to communicate information, right? Which particular product is going to come in the market, right? So that they are go, and from where we can purchase this product and how to use it. So first they will communicate, then next persuasive, that means they will persuade people to buy the product, right? They will make everyone, the customer, ready, right? The next reminder, that they will show the ads again and again, so that the customer or consumer, they will not forget, okay? उनको हमेशा याद रहे कि हाँ ये जो प्रोडक्ट है वो भी मार्केट में अभी भी अवेलेबल है, so that we can purchase it easily, right? And this market is still available. Okay, that means, sorry, this product is still available in the market, right? And you can easily purchase it. Then we have discussed about techniques of advertising, right? And we have discussed different techniques of advertising, and one was repetition, right? Bandwagon, right? And repetition, that means to simply show the ad again and again to make people remember the brand name through repetition. Then bandwagon product, right? That means this product is widely used. Advertiser try to convince buyer to get on bandwagon product or miss out. Okay, पहले वो प्रोडक्ट इतना ज़्यादा फेमस है, पॉपुलर है, ओके, वो ब्रांड से ही वो बिकता है, ओके, उससे नाम से ही इतना पॉपुलर है कि वो मार्केट में आते ही तुरंत बिक जाता है, ओके। तो आप कहीं उसको मिस ना हो जाए, ना खरीद पाए, इसीलिए आप उसको खरीद लीजिए तुरंत। देन टेस्टिमोनियल प्रोडक्ट वी हैव सीन कि ऑलरेडी कुछ लोगों ने, जो नॉर्मल पर्सन है या कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज जो होते हैं, उन्होंने ये प्रोडक्ट टेस्टेड किया है, ओके, अपनाया है, आजमाया है, और फिर वो चैलेंज लिया गया है और वो आपको कहते हैं कि ये टेस्टेड प्रोडक्ट है, राइट? जैसे आपने कोलगेट, पेप्सिडेंट, ओके, कितने सारे सोप, ओके, डव 7 डे चैलेंज, इस तरीके से जो होते हैं। देन प्रेशर, ओके, प्रेशर मीन्स क्या है, वो लोगों को इतना प्रेशराइज जैसे करना कि सेल लगा हुआ है, राइट, या कुछ ऑफर्स है, ओके, जैसे 50% सेल, 70% सेल हुआ, ओके, या बाय वन गेट वन फ्री का ऑफर। तो उस तरीके से कि जो कस्टमर है वो ज्यादा समय ना लगाए सोचने में, राइट, और वो तुरंत ही अट्रैक्ट हो जाए वो चीज को खरीदने के लिए। देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट अपील टू इमोशन, किस तरीके के हमें लोगों को इमोशन पे अटैक करना है, राइट? जैसे सफोला जो ऑयल उसका ऐड आ जाता है, राइट? अभी जैसे पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन, कोरोना वायरस फैला हुआ है, तो हमें हमेशा ये बताया जाता है कि हमें हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज करना है, ग्लव्स पहनना है, राइट, फेस मास्क लगाना है, राइट। सो अभी पहले स्टार्टिंग में इतने सारे एड्स नहीं थे, बट अब तो हम हर जगह पे ये एड्स भी, टेलीविजन में इतने सारे एड्स दिखाई देते हैं, राइट चिल्ड्रन? इतने सारे डिफरेंट कंपनीज का सैनिटाइजर वगैरह निकल गया है, राइट? तो इस तरीके से। Then next children was association. That means advertiser he try to associate the product, means वो कुछ attractive image, कुछ desirable image कि लोग तुरंत उससे attract हो जाए, उस तरीके की मॉडल्स की पिक्चर हुई या कुछ अच्छी जगहों की पिक्चर हुई, राइट, उस तरीके की पिक्चर्स वो लगाते हैं, ओके। देन नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्टाइजिंग स्लोगन, ओके, दे पुट सम कैची slogan they use, right, so that the customer, the consumer attract, ओके, हो जाए उस स्लोगन से पढ़ते हुए और वो उसको यूज करें। देन वी हैव ऑल्सो सीन दैट एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड रेगुलेशंस, ओके, सो एडवर्टाइजिंग में भी चिल्ड्रन कुछ रेगुलेशंस वगैरह होते हैं, राइट? सो देर इज नथिंग गुड और बैड अबाउट एडवर्टाइजिंग, इट इज अ टूल दैट कैन बी यूज इन बोथ वेज, राइट? वाइल इट कैन गिव अस some person beneficial results also, and sometimes it can give impact also, okay, individuals and society negatively also. So therefore the information whatever is provided should be for the common good, and it should be based on truth. Clear children? So this we have already discussed in our last classes, right, under advertising chapter, and we have already discussed in brief, right? And today again I have revised, right? Now let's discuss once again the question answers, all the book exercises questions also. See, right? So children, I hope you have written this sum up also. Yes. Now let's talk about, let's discuss this MCQ question first. Okay. Now what is the advertising is mainly dash advertising is mainly done to promote product is services. Yes. So what will be your answer, children? Yes, it will be social, political. For it is, see the question. Mostly it is mainly done to promote. They are asking for product and service. So that will be your commercial answer, right? The next dash advertising is also called as public service advertising. Yes, children, just now we have discussed that which advertising is also called as public service advertising. That is your answer will be social advertising, right? Then next question, an important objective of advertising is to dash the demand for the product. Why advertising is to shown, children? What is their main objective, right? What they want? They want to increase their sale, right? So they want that their demand for the product should be increased, right? So your answer will be increase. A1. Then advertising dash is a technique to attract the attention of the people, right? It is bandwagon, pressure, or emotion or slogan. So it is your answer will be slogan. Advertising slogan is a technique to attract the attention of the people. Understood, children? Clear, everyone? Yes. Now, children, we will discuss short answer. Now, what is advertising? So, children, you can define in simple term that advertising is the promotion of goods, service, companies, and ideas, usually done by identifies agent or sponsor. And what does it seeks to convey? It seeks to convey a specific message, whether it is related about a thing or an idea. Right, children? Now, next question, what are the stages involved in guerrilla promotion, children? Right? Guerrilla means what, children? The strategies they used, okay, different strategy, okay, tactics, okay, तरीका जो अपनाते हैं. No, so your answer will be stage encounter in public places, okay, जैसे malls वगैरह में children हमने देखा होगा, या रोड साइड पे भी कहीं पे लोग लगा देते हैं, ओके, और वहाँ एडवर्टाइज करने लगते हैं किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का, या मॉल में भी हम जाते हैं एक सेपरेट जगह पे, देखो लोग हमें बताने लगते हैं ये वो प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं, ओके. सो दैट देन giveaway of products covered with brand message and interactive promotion where viewer can respond to become the part of advertising message. Understood? So these are the answer of second question. That means what are the stages involved in guerrilla promotion? So this was some following stages. Then what is political advertising? Children, very easy answer. That political advertising is one of the means by which political parties, the candidates, and the other socially active group, they reach out to people, and especially it is done during the time of elections, right? So for example, where you can see all this political advertising in the form of handbill, wall writing, radio, TV message, and posters, etc. Right, children? The next question is, children, why should there be regulation on advertising? Okay, so children, advertising must be regulated as it shapes the attitude and the behavior of the people, right? And if it is not regulated, that means if it is not controlled, okay, it may provide a wrong information also. That means advertising should also be checked. Whatever the information they are providing, it should be based on truth. Understood? So that is why it should be regulated, it should be controlled, which could harm the society, right? So the content needs to be checked so that it does not spread a wrong messages to the people. Okay, children, clear? Then next is long answer, children. We will discuss what is commercial advertising and list the media through which it is done. Okay, किसके थ्रू किया जाता है, ओके. और पहला हमें डिस्कस करना है व्हाट इज कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजिंग. So children, commercial advertising is primarily done for the promotion of product and services. And commercial advertising, it include advertising through billboard, printed flyers, magazine, newspaper, radio broadcast, cinema, TV channels, web banners, web pop-ups, stage shows, bus stop benches, sides of buses, reverse of ticket also, children, right? And so on, children. Many points are there, right, children? So you can write some points from this answer, okay. Then next question is, children, what is social advertising? What kind of message does it advertise? So children, social advertising is advertising that is used to inform and educate people about non-commercial issues such as human equality, health, hygiene, energy conservation, deforestation, and so on. And children, social advertising advertise message of faith, compassion, service, charity, health, education, patriotism, tolerance, and so on, right? The next question, what are the objectives of advertising, children? Yes, so what are the objectives? Just now we have seen, children, to increase the demand for the product, very important. Then to communicate information about a particular product, service, or brand, and even including announcing the launch of product, where to purchase it, and how to use it, everything. Then even to persuade people to buy the product and to keep the organization and public eye. So this was about objectives of advertising. Understood? Now fourth question is, children, what are the techniques used by the advertiser to attract customers, children? So different techniques are used by the advertiser, right? जो advertise करते हैं वो बहुत सारे तरीके अपनाते हैं, अलग अलग टेक्निक अपनाते हैं, right? जिससे कि कस्टमर उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीद ले, right? They get profit, right? The demand for the product should increase. So what are the techniques there? So there are many techniques. So first is repetition. That means making people remember the brand name. Okay, वो brand name बार बार repeat करना. Okay, by repeating it often, हमेशा वो ad दिखाते रहना जिससे लोगों को हमेशा याद रहे. Then next is bandwagon. Convincing people to either use the product or miss out. Right? तो वो लोगों को convince करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि आप उस प्रोडक्ट को यूज करें जल्द से जल्द, नहीं तो क्या होगा, आप मिस कर जाएंगे, राइट? अब वो मार्केट से खत्म हो जाएगा. ओके, वो स्टॉक इतना पॉपुलर है, वो ब्रांड इतना पॉपुलर है कि वो बहुत जल्दी सारी चीजें बिक जाती है तुरंत ही आते हुए. ओके, सो उसको आप तुरंत खरीद लीजिए. The next point is testimonial. Promote the product through recommendation. Okay, वो recommendation, okay, जैसे वो promote करते हैं कि जो कुछ लोग इसको इस्तेमाल कर चुके हैं, right? डॉक्टर प्रूवन है, अंडरस्टूड, इवन एक्चुअल यूजर, एक्सपर्ट्स और बोथ. ओके, कुछ कॉमन पीपल लोग ने भी उनको उसको यूज किया है, कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज जो एक्सपर्ट लोग हैं वो लोग ने भी इसको इस्तेमाल करके देखा है, राइट? सो और कुछ लोगों ने चैलेंज भी लिया है, तो उस तरीके से. देन नेक्स्ट इज प्रेशर, राइट? asking people to buy quickly before the stocks run out. Okay, लोगों को कहना कि जैसे जल्दी से खरीद लीजिए, सेल लगा हुआ है, राइट? नहीं तो ये दोबारा आपको नहीं मिलेगा, ये जो ऑफर है अभी इस पे वो खत्म हो जाएगा, राइट? तो लोग क्या कहते हैं, अरे वाह ऑफर लगा है, राइट, या डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है हमें, तो हमें तुरंत खरीद लेना चाहिए, राइट? पता नहीं हमें बाद में ये उतने ही प्राइस में मिले या ना मिले, राइट? उस तरीके से. The next is appeal to emotion, appealing to the emotion of the people also, right children? So जैसे बहुत सारे LIC के भी एड्स हम देखते हैं, राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो इस तरीके से यह सफोला ऑयल की बात करें, जैसे लेस कोलेस्ट्रॉल है. ओके, सो इवन चिल्ड्रन जो दांतों की झंझनाहट जो होती है, सेंसोडाइन टूथपेस्ट, जैसे कि इससे आप लोगों का झंझनाहट जो होता है दांतों में वो बंद हो जाएगा. तो इस तरीके से वो हमें हमारे इमोशंस पे अटैक करते हैं, राइट? कि लोग डर कर जो है ये प्रोडक्ट जरूर इस्तेमाल कर लेंगे. अगर उनके लिए ये चीजें अगर उनको सेफ अच्छी तरीके से रहना है, हेल्दी रहना है, तो उन्हें ये सारी चीजें इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए. ओके, then next is advertising, sorry, association. Associating the product with something desirable, images कुछ लगा देना, कुछ attractive pictures लगाना, right? किसी लैंडस्केप का या किसी मॉडल्स का, किसी का भी पिक्चर लगाना कि लोग उसे देखकर उसकी पैकेजिंग को अच्छा बनाना, ताकि लोग उसको तुरंत खरीद ले, राइट? The next is last is advertising slogan, using catchy slogan to attract people attention, right? जैसे अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया, right? उस तरीके से. So अलग अलग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जो है चिल्ड्रन एडवर्टाइजिंग स्लोगन्स भी जो है वो लिखे जाते हैं इस एड्स पे, राइट? शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट स्लोगन्स होते हैं जिससे लोग उसको पढ़े और वो खुश हो जाए. ओके, जैसे थम्स अप पे भी होता है टेस्ट द थंडर, ऐसे बहुत सारे चिल्ड्रन हमने देखा होगा प्रोडक्ट उस पे जो है स्लोगन्स होते हैं, राइट चिल्ड्रन? यस. So children, and fifth children, it is a hot question, so that is not going to be asked. Okay, but then also children we will discuss. Okay, now what is Right to Information Act 2000 as mandatory for all packed commodities to mention the following. So children, the Right to Information Act 2005 will increase the product awareness among consumer. It would also have the producers and advisor on their producing accurate product knowledge. Okay, so all this, okay children, clear? Just wait. Yeah. So children, I hope now you have understood this chapter very well. Right, children? So once again, today I have shown you the flow chart. So with the help of flow chart also we have discussed, and with the help of all the book exercises question also we have discussed. Right? So now each and every content should be clear to all of you. Yes or no? Yeah, children? Children, please read the whole chapter. One time, two time, three time, as many as time you can remember, children. You can read. Okay, you read it. Okay, children, and all the work, children, which I have shared in the school app also. That also you complete on time because exams are there, right, children? So your work should be completed. Clear? Yeah. Children, goodbye. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.